Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an easy messy bun hairstyle on fine hair. To start, I've loosely curled the hair and I'm going to add some texture spray. I'm also going to add some volume powder at the roots around the crown. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then, to give the style some fullness, I'm gently going to backcomb the crown area. You can skip this step if you don't like backcombing. Once you're done, flip everything back over and smooth it with the very tip of your comb. Pop the hair into a low ponytail, and I'm going to make a hole behind the elastic band and pop a couple of fingers through. Then pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Gently pinch and pull at the hair at the top of the head and along those twists to give it some texture and volume. Next, I'm going to take my fork comb and gently tease that ponytail to give it some more fullness. Then add a clear elastic band to the very end of the ponytail, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. Take the end of that ponytail and give it a few twists in the same direction, and then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull for more volume. Now all I'm simply going to do is push that up towards the nape of the neck and secure all the way around the outside using as many bobby pins as needed. I like to keep my bobby pins closed to make it really secure. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.